Can I share, sir?
Yeah, which who is this?
Sir, Pratik Jaiswal.
Pratik Jaiswal. Yes, करो. MP Betul near Bhopal. Okay, Pratik, करो. With a relationship. Show some relationship between the actor, use case to use case with some logic. Why you have fixed up the relation? Why?
Sir, user 2 has a relationship with other user banking account as he
Right.
sent some money.
No, there, Pratik,
Yes, sir.
the user user two, both represent the same users. So, there's no need to draw a second user like user two.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So
Only
all
one user represent all the customers.
so
Yes,
all who are using the ATM, it will be represented by one actor only. There should
Okay,
not be like user one, user two.
okay, sir.
and
And
how
sir,
use cases. So the relationship between how they are related, the use cases, and why you have fixed these four use cases. You have to justify why.
Just
Just
just search for include relationship, extend relationship, generalization. You will get an idea.
yes, sir.
Excuse me, sir. So this is Siddharth Rautray.
yeah, Siddharth.
So, so can I share now?
Yeah. Come, Siddharth Rautrai. Yeah, you had done it in your BTech or what? Had you done it or no?
No, sir. So there was just a use case and just a theory, sir. Nothing practical was done.
Okay. So study it, read it, so that you will know how to draw the diagram properly. Yeah. Okay, something. The actor to use case, the relationships are not so. So show it properly. Okay.
Okay, okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Just try to draw activity diagram also, no? Other than for balance inquiry. Ah,
Sir, can I share, sir? Hello.
Yeah, share.
Sir, can I share?
Yeah, you can share.
Yes, sir.
Deposit money include language selection, balance inquiry.
Hello, sir. Is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible. Just now select a use case and try to draw the activity diagram other than balance inquiry for withdrawal or pin change.
Sir,
Something.
can you repeat? I didn't listen, sir.
Just try to draw activity diagram now.
All
for
right, sir.
Other than a balance inquiry for withdrawal or anyone.
All right, sir. All right, sir.
Yes, Mudassir, Muhammad Mudassir, are you able to draw?
Hello, sir. Can you listen? I have shown, sir.
Yes, shown.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, you draw the activity diagram.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
I'm drawing.
Rishabh Sunni. Rishabh,
Yes, sir.
could you draw the use
Yes.
case diagram you have
Yes, sir.
drawn?
Yes, sir. Just come, sir. A little is remaining, sir.
Yeah. Then you draw it, and next you show to Ingole Bhaiya. Ingole Subham Bhaiya ko dikhao.
Yes, sir.
Trilekha, Banot, Trilekha.
Sir, yes, sir.
Are you drawing something? Are you able to do?
Sir, I already informed Ingole, sir, that my system is not supporting, and I'll rectify the what issue is, sir.
But you have to learn it. It is the month of October, tomorrow October. The time is running out. You should have done it. You should have done it from the day one. I'm telling that unless you learn this one, we cannot go to the other models.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is 31. So be careful. Learn it properly. Draw it yourself. Draw it yourself. So you are not able to do anything. Tilaka, you are not able to do anything.
Yes, sir.
Or you
I'm
are
just listening to the people. I can only listen, sir, but I even there is nothing on my screen even.
you are not able to draw any diagram. You are not able to draw.
Yes, sir.
You are not able to draw. Not able to
Yes,
draw.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Not able to try, and even my connection was literally poor, sir.
It's not a negative power. It's way of typing. You take that screen properly.
Hello, Shubham sir.
Yeah.
Sir Ranveer,
Yeah,
can
yeah,
I
yeah.
share my screen, sir?
Yeah, you can share.
So 1 minute. So is it visible, sir?
It's visible. Try to add one use case here.
Okay, sir. One more use case.
And try to add that generalization or extend include.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
And after that, you can draw activity.
So this is Siddharth Rautray, sir. So can I share?
Yeah, you can share.
So is it visible?
Yeah,
Yes.
system technician, bank user, engineer, maintenance. You know the arrow of the extend, it will be from print receipt to withdrawal. Just check it once.
Oh, okay, sir. So the arrow will be from the print receipt to the withdrawal for extend.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sir. So I'll fix that.
Just try the activity diagram now.
Okay, sir. Yes.
Hello, sir. Can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can share.
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Mm.
Yeah, try to add extend include. That's one thing only.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Try to draw activity now, activity diagram.
Okay, sir.
Sir, can I share?
Yeah.
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible. Now try to draw activity diagram.
Yes, sir.
Take the use case and draw activity diagram.
Sir, can I share my screen?
Yeah, share.
Okay. Withdrawal check balance.
Try to draw activity diagram. So guys, those who came late to the class, I am taking the attendance again. So Ashim Guleria, Ashutosh Gupta, Tom Shekhar,
Present, sir.
and Chandrakant, Guduri Kumar, Guduri, Mahendra Kumar, Ashutosh Gupta, Ashim Guleria,
How many are absent?
5 are absent.
5 are absent. Asutosh has got some genuine problem. Asutosh Gupta. Who are others other than Asutosh? Who are other absent?
Ashim Guleria,
Asim Guleria is a habitual problem maker. हिमाचल के नाम बदनाम कर रहा है देवभूमि का.
Chandrakant Kumar, Chandrakant Kumar Chaudhary.
चंद्रकांत.
Yeah, he has a final year exam of BTech, I think.
Oh yes, final year exam. अच्छा अच्छा BTech का exam. अच्छा.
Hello.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes.
Hello, sir. You have called my name 2 times, but I've just stopped. But my voice is not. Maybe the little bit wrong connection.
Okay. What is your name?
3272 Mahin Sharma.
Mahendra Sharma.
Yes, sir. Network issues are still not going.
4 are absent.
Hello.
और कौन है absent? और
Hello.
yes, yes, बोलो.
Sir, voice is not getting clear, sir. Maybe network issue.
Okay.
3272, sir.
Yeah.
You are Mahendra Sharma from Prayag.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So who else is absent?
Guduri.
Chandrakant Chaudhary. और
Guduri Kumar. Guduri Achyut Kumar.
अच्युत कुमार. हाँ. अच्युत कुमार तिरुपति. अच्युतम. He is also Achyutam 2017 pass out. He is also a very habitual. Sri Lekha, you tell Guduri Achyut. He is creating constantly remaining absent. Constantly. He was only crazy for job. I don't appreciate this. You have to learn something. Guduri, I'm very unhappy. You send the message. How many absent?
Sir, no, sir. 4 are absent, sir.
एक असीम आशुतोष की तबीयत खराब है. चंद्रकांत की एग्जाम चल रही है और गुडरी अच्युत रास्ते में घूम रही है. गुडरी एंड असीम ही दोनों का कुछ हमारी मेंटल प्रॉब्लम. Yes. Anybody wants to show some of your diagram to Shubham Bhaiya? Your diagram on use case. Anybody wants to show?
Yes, sir.
Do it perfectly. Yeah. Study in the night, then draw it perfectly.
Sir, can I share my screen? I have drawn the use diagram.
What's your name?
Jitendra Gora.
Okay, Jitendra Gora. दिखाओ.
Sir, is it visible?
Not yet. Yeah.
Sir, I have drawn a use case diagram for collecting cash by going personally in the bank. Like the customer will go in the bank.
Hello. You can scroll down a little bit.
Yes, sir.
better draw for the ATM. And nowadays, people going to the bank is very less.
Yes, sir. For ATM, Ingole sir has already drawn. So I have drawn it for the
Going to
collecting.
bank.
Yeah.
Zoom out a little bit because I can't see the whole diagram.
Sir, it's a big one, so I have to scroll. Like I'm scrolling it from the starting. You can see the starting portion.
You can just go to that view and zoom out. You can.
Oh, let's zoom out or zoom in.
Or zoom out. Okay, scroll down a little.
Like the customer will request for the cash, then cashier will check the details of his account, then it will provide the cash and then update the transaction detail in his passbook, like print the transaction detail in his passbook. Is it okay, sir?
Just try to add the extend and include relationship also.
Oh, let's. Okay.
Try to do activity diagram now.
Oh, let's.
Yeah, activity diagram. Other than balance inquiry.
Okay, sir.
Please mute your speaker, a microphone.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you please mute it, otherwise getting
Sir, I want to share your
yeah.
activity diagram.
Activity diagram. Okay, good. Pratik Jaiswal activity diagram. थोड़ा थोड़ा करो, लेकिन रात को बहुत बड़ा करोगे और दिखाओगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में, ठीक है? ओके। हर चीज को पकड़ के रखना है, तुम्हारा एसआरएस को पढ़कर. To go through the SRS, draw the use case diagram properly and activity diagram properly. Go through the SRS, the problem statement. Yeah.
Shubham, sir.
Yeah, Shubham. Shubham.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, dekh.
Yeah. See the flow of the activity. You are in the from request withdrawal. You are going to. Wait. Roll up. Yeah. See, your flow is not proper, I think. From search account, you are going to verify account. Again, you are going to request pin. Request withdrawal. Just scroll down a little bit. Print receipt, get amount. So here also try to use all those functionalities which are available for join, decision box.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, try to add all these functionalities.
Okay, sir.
Scroll a little bit up. Wait, scroll. And place those actions, all arrows and actions properly.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, instead of the slanting arrows, straight
Yes,
arrows.
sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So listen, for every use case, there will be activity diagram. So this one for which use case?
Sir, this one?
Yeah.
Sir, ATM?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
This one is for which use case?
Sir, ATM, sir.
No. For like
Banking system.
No. Listen. For there will be 4-5 use cases as I have seen. So for every use case, there will be activity diagram. So I have shown you for balance inquiry.
Yes, sir.
That one for balance inquiry. For pin change there will be another activity diagram. For withdrawal, there will be another activity diagram.
Okay.
Like that. So there will not be only a single activity diagram for the whole ATM. It will be for one use case.
Yes, sir.
Just select one use case and draw for that only.
Yes, sir.
Sir, may I share?
Yeah, you can.
आप कौन हो? Who are you?
Rahul, sir.
Rahul. Okay.
Sir, it is only for withdraw money.
Guys, the presentation is also important. Just keep in mind the arrows or everything.
In exam, you have to explain it.
Is
You
it
don't have
visual, sir?
Yeah, it's visible.
visible. In exam, you have to explain it, how you have designed, on what basis, how the information flows from one activity to another activity. Drawing only diagram is not sufficient. You have to explain it, how the diagram has been constructed, on what basis. Okay, so keep that thing in mind.
Listen, you can use the decision box here while checking the pin. Use all these functionalities: join, fork, decision. You are directly after entering the pin, you are checking pin check. You can use the decision box whether it's valid or not.
Yeah, use the decision box. Use it. Rahul, use it.
Okay, sir.
If valid, then accept it. If not valid, then return to the user. Give a message to the user that the pin is invalid or anything is invalid.
Okay, sir. Okay.
If valid, if then analysis, that decision. Okay, do it.
So just don't add actions and arrows. Try to use the decision box, fork. Everything is available there. So try to use all those. Join, fork, decision box.
Sir, can I share my screen, sir?
No, no.
Hello.
No, it's not visible. Yeah, it's visible.
For pin change.
Okay, okay. So this one is for change pin.
Yes, sir.
Insert card. After the save pin, there will be a final state at last also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It will have always begin and end.
Yes, sir.
Just add a final state.
Okay, sir.
For every use case, there will be activity diagram. Also try sequence diagram for any one use case.
Sir, I'm Siddharth Rautray, sir. I want to share my activity diagram. Yes, sir. So this diagram is for cash withdrawal in ATM. So is it visible, sir? So, hello?
Ingole.
Shubham, sir?
Yeah. Shubham. Ingole.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm here.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
scroll down.
It is showing this black dots which indicates the end. I
Yeah.
think it is to be done at the end only, not for each one. I think is it like that?
This final state.
Yeah.
So you can show in between if the transaction
You
ends
can show
there.
you can show in between.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And there's okay. Listen, after the check balance.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there's no okay, what display options. You are using a print receipt. So you can explain this like after the display balance.
So okay, sir. So after this collect cash, there will be like two options printed. Either you want to print the receipt or you want to check the balance. And if you want to print the receipt, then there will be like means, you cannot just print the receipt, or you can just select print receipt and then you will collect receipt. And the second option is for check balance. Okay, so actually I just forget to one action box for display balance. And after that, the transaction will end without printing any receipt.
Just add the action here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'll add, sir. So should I stop sharing?
Yeah, you can.
Andrila? Andrila,
Yes, sir.
what are you doing? Why are you not showing?
Yes, sir. I'm trying to draw. Actually, I'm facing some issues with my laptop.
You are facing issues, Sri Lanka facing issues. You should have sorted it out.
Sorry, sir.
You should have been careful earlier. You need to sort it out. Nirmal Panda? Nirmal Panda,
Yes, sir.
why don't you show? What are you doing?
Sir, I have shared the screenshot of the use case diagram to Ingole, sir.
Then show the activity diagram, draw it. Okay. रणवीर सिंह रामगढ़ में कहाँ घूम रहे हो? आप करते क्यों नहीं? करो.
Yes, sir. Doing, sir.
एनर्जी कर्नल के खिलाफन आप पकड़ के रखा है ना क्या? आप करो जल्दी.
Yes, sir. Can I show my use case diagram because I have also drawn the activity diagram.
Yeah. Show the use case.
Okay, sir.
शिवम डालमिया.
Sir.
आप
Sir.
करो, कुछ दिखाओ.
Hello, Shubham, sir.
Yeah.
This is use case diagram.
Yeah. In the cash withdrawal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, this from savings. Just write the relationship name. It include extend what it is. Here. Yeah. The savings and current. What are these? Like include or extend. Which one is this? Generalization.
Okay, sir. 1 minute.
Yeah.
राकेश कुमार, राकेश कुमार, आप दिखाओ कहाँ गया में घूम रहे हो, आप बिहार में कहाँ घूम रहे हो, पटना में कहाँ, आप दिखाओ कौन आपको पीछे धक्का मारेगा है।
सर मैंने दिखा दिया सर।
अरे बाबू जल्दी करो, ये दिखाओ एक्टिविटी डायग्राम करके दिखाओ सर, में ये क्या कहाँ पर गलती हुआ है मेरे को सिखाओ, आप करोगे ना।
सर एक्टिविटी का डायग्राम दिखा दिया सर मैंने।
अच्छा महेंद्र शर्मा आपने दिखाया, महेंद्र शर्मा कहाँ प्रयाग में घूम रहा है, महेंद्र शर्मा, बचपना गया नहीं अभी तक। शिवम डालमिया, शिवम,
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Sir, I have updated my activity diagram.
Okay, okay, sure.
Yes. Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah, it's visible.
Yes.
So what are these decision box?
Sir, it's for a pin change, sir. Sorry, sir. I forgot to erase them. It's, yes, sir. Sir, this fork for uh, pin change means if ATM request a pin from a bank account.
Which this which for?
Sir, this one, sir, below certified.
No, that's not how you use it for.
Sir, then I'm not getting means how to use join and fork, sir.
I will show you. So here what are you doing? A verify account. If it's verified.
Yes, sir. Then it's sending message like it's verified now. You can proceed to ATM. Means bank admin, bank system.
What fork will do is it will a single message will enter and it will split it into two activities.
Yes, sir.
So here what are you doing? Verify account. Wait, I will share my screen. Just stop sharing your screen for a minute.
Yes.
Yeah. So see how fork is used. There will be a single control flow into the fork. And after that only you will add two actions. in scenario.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just excuse me for a minute. So here you can see if there's a scenario where two activities are in parallel, then you use fork.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Or, yeah, like
And
this.
sir, opposite for join also.
Yeah. And after that you join like this.
Yes.
It's not showing. So like this you use fork.
So the
Yes.
second one only is showing invalid while forking the
For-
second action.
No, it's like doing action 1, action 2 like this. And after that you can merge it. You can use join after this. So you have
Yes,
to,
sir.
yeah, you have to find out which scenarios you can use fork and join.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I got it. Sir, like any example, sir, you can give like we requested pin, then means how two action will be merged. Sorry, one action will split in two action.
We can, okay, let me see an example for that. And here's one more thing, that final state. You can
Yes,
just
sir.
extend the arrow to the one last final state. Don't just no need to just put a final state in after every action or in the activity diagram. You can just
Yes,
extend
sir.
the arrow.
Only one finalist state
Yeah,
there.
one final state you can extend the arrow.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me check any fork example I have done.
Sir, can I share?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, sir. Is it visible?
Yeah, it is.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's big, so tell me when to scroll down.
Yeah, this is for cash withdrawal.
Cash withdrawal.
Please scroll down. Scroll down. Click when okay, okay.
Yes, sir. Should I stop presenting?
Yeah, yeah.
Shubham sir, can I show?
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Sir, can you see?
Yeah, it is. Scroll down.
Sir, it is for the to deposit the money, sir.
Just put the final state at the end of the diagram.
No, sir. You have said that we can use one file state, so I have.
Yeah, only one final state, but at the end of the diagram, that one.
Okay. So I will put this final state at the end, and then I will join this invalid pin to it. All right.
Put it at the below, at the bottom. Okay?
All right. Yes, sir.
Bottom.
Yes, sir. All right. Okay, sir. So can I stop?
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, may I share?
Yeah, sure.
Sir, numbering is wrong, sir. How to correct it?
This is sequence
Draw-
diagram, right?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
So first you draw the verify arrow. That's why it's shown 1 for that. You have to start from the insert card now. That's why. That's
Sir,
the first.
can we change numbering from somewhere else?
You have to start everything from the beginning.
Yeah, at the beginning.
Every
You draw.
assumption has to start from the beginning.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can't change the number. You have to draw from the start.
Okay, sir. I'm doing again.
Any error in between you cannot rectify.
Sir, can I share my sequence diagram?
Yeah.
Where there is noise, please mute your microphone.
Insert card. Just one minute. While returning that second display option, just try to use the reply message dotted one while returning from ATM to user. The dotted one. You have an option called reply message. Just use that for while returning ATM to user. It's a reply. So if you are replying a message, you use the reply message. Yeah, like this. Here's the example of how the fork is used. After amount enter, there will be two actions happening simultaneously. It will display deposit slot and open deposit slot. If two actions are happening parallelly, you can use fork at that time. While depositing the money, it will ask to deposit the money and it will also open the deposit for depositing the cash.
Okay, sir. Sir, you have told like only one user should be there, means actor.
Not one act. One actor means a user is an actor, so there can't be like user 1, user 2, user 3. So all
Yes,
this,
sir.
yeah. So
Sir,
this is
but if we talk about e-shop application where seller will be their customer and some other admin person also there.
Yeah. No,
So
listen, what
then,
I'm
sir,
saying is, as a actor means customer, all the customers will be represented by only one actor. It's not like customer one, customer two. It's not like that. All the customers will be represented by one actor. There will be one admin. So it's
yes,
not like
sir.
admin one, admin two. Only one
Yes,
admin.
sir.
Yeah.
Admin for one for means admin means one actor for admin, but
Yeah.
for sir we can do like one actor for web customer, one for new customer.
One for which customer? Web.
Sorry, sir, one for web customer, one for seller.
Okay, if they are representing a different category, you can
Yes,
use.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
In
sir.
the same category, you can't use like actor one, actor user one, user two like.
Yes, sir. Yes, I got it. Yes, sir.
Hello, Shom sir.
Yeah.
Sir, when I'm saving the document and after saving, when I'm opening it back, it shows completely blank. I mean, I don't know. After saving, when I'm opening it back, it shows the completely blank screen. My activity is completely
Just
gone.
on the right side, select your model. Your draw. Is there anything on the right side?
Sir, one second, sir, one second. I'm opening.
Model Explorer.
On right side, one second, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Model one, activity one. It is written.
Yeah, select. Just find which one you are opening.
No, sir. After that, there are properties, name, stereotype, visibility, public. These things are written.
Which diagram have you saved?
Yes, sir.
Okay, which diagram you are trying to open?
Sir, activity diagram. I've just saved it, ATM activity diagram .mdj, and when I'm opening it back, there is nothing. Alright, sir. I find it. Sir. Yes, sir. I find it.
Sir, this is Siddharth Rautre, sir. Sir, can I share my sequence diagram?
Yeah, sure.
So is it visible now?
Yeah, it's. So this one is for cash withdrawal.
Yes, sir. Yes, cash withdrawal.
Okay, fine.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Hello, Shubham sir.
Yeah.
Can I show my activity diagram?
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Can you see? So this is for cash withdrawal.
Okay. Just use one final state. Just add that first final state to the last arrow.
So first final state.
Just add.
So only one final state. Yes.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I'm doing.
So what to do after sequence diagram?
The next state chart.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, state chart.
Go through something in the book. Everything is there. How to draw it. Everything is there.
And you have drawn just for one use case. Huh? You have to draw for every use case. Right now we are just drawing one diagram, but for every use case there will be.
Sure.
Yeah, if there are 5 use cases, there will be 5 activity diagram, 5 sequence diagram.
So draw
right
5 activity diagram and then sequence diagram for each one.
Yeah. Right now we are just doing one, but you have to draw for every use case. Just try state chart diagram.
Hello, sir. Hello, Shubham, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, can we add an actor in sequence diagram?
You
Hello?
cannot
Yeah,
add
you
in between. You cannot add in between. You have to add everything from the very beginning.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there will not be any actor in sequence.
Okay, sir.
Everything you have to plan properly from the very beginning. As Muhammad, he was telling to add something, some correct something. You cannot do it. What Muhammad, people call you Mudassir or what? Your friends call you?
Sir, Rikaz, sir.
Muhammad Rikaz.
Yes, sir. REKZ Rikaz.
Okay, your friends call you? Yeah, there are 3 words are there.
Yes, sir.
Your friends call you Rikaz.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Rikaz. Okay. That's the easy name, I think. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Subham. Subham.
Yes, sir.
Shall we close it or what? It's going to be 12.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Okay, all the boys listen. Hello.
Yes, sir.
So we are going to close it down. It is now 12. It's now 12. So you need to practice. You have a weekend. Study fast. How to keep the name of the use case. How to connect the actors. How many actors are to be decided. First you study it. Then you study how to draw the activity diagram for each use case, whether activity is a noun or verb, how the different activities are to be connected by what type of relation. Then the state chart, as Ingule Bhaiya told, whatever you had read in your BTech, how the states are changing, it is same as your FSM, finite state machine, how the states are dynamically changing, the state chart diagram. So remember that what is FSM, I will ask in the next class. Finite state machine, you had read it. The same thing we draw it, how the things change dynamically. You get some input, as a result the state from input state to it comes to output state. So that is state chart. After you draw the state chart, when you know about the dynamism, then you draw the sequence diagram. Then only it will be correct. Rikaj, you remember that? First you draw the state chart. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Until unless you draw the state chart properly, your sequence will be in mistake. So to draw the sequence properly, you need to draw the state chart properly. So after drawing the state chart, draw the sequence diagram. Then from sequence diagram, look at all the 4 diagrams. What? The use case, the activity, the sequence, the state chart and the sequence. Looking at each diagram, think coolly, sit down coolly, draw in a rough paper, a rough class diagram, and it will be quite big. Identify the attributes for each class, then methods and operations in each class, then think how the methods and operations will work, taking the message from other classes. Then only looking at those previous 4 diagrams, you can draw the class diagram correctly. Class diagram will be slowly large in size. Large in size. And for each class, identify the pseudo code. Pseudo means false. A false code, how you can extend it, a skeleton of code, a skeleton of codes. How you can put flesh in this skeleton so that it becomes a normal code. So understand that. That is the main need of our diagram. How to get the pseudo code. Pseudo means almost similar like a code. You push something, then it becomes a code. Understand that, learn that. If you have any problem, next Wednesday morning, you identify, you send a mail to the Ingole Bhaiya, these are the problem I am facing. Then he will clarify all your problems one by one. Class diagram, then interconnection diagram, then component diagram. Our architecture is based on component, connector, then configuration. 3C. All along we will talk about 3C. connectors are nothing but the message passing between the classes or components. So how we will fix up the components and connectors, then the overall configuration. So you read something, don't kill your time. These are the 10% tips Subham Bhaiya or myself will give. 90% you have to cover yourself. Okay, so we'll close down. It is 12:05. We'll close down. We'll meet tomorrow for the class at 4:15. Okay, that's all. Bye. Bye, Ingole. Bye, Subham. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, fine. You keep track of the attendance. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Bye. Bye, all. Read yourself. I'll tell from a distance, but you have to read yourself. And if you have any doubt, send a mail to Subham Bhaiya and we'll discuss everything in the next Wednesday. Okay. Bye.
Okay, we'll end the lab now. You can leave.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.